only eating at pubs for a full day in Australia. Today we were docked in Sydney and I started off at the oldest pub in the city. I've been getting a lot of comments that I have to try chicken parm and they gave me such a big piece. It was covered in this sweet, tangy, rich tomato sauce. It was super crunchy and crispy and the chicken was so moist. And of course I had to get fish and chips. It was so rich and it had that perfect crunch. It went so well with the creamy, herby tartar sauce, and also battered fries are like my favorite thing ever. They're so light and crispy, literal perfection. Then later I walked down the street to another pub and they had kangaroo rump on the menu, like under the steak section. It came with this thick, shiny mushroom sauce that was really sweet, kind of like chicken marsala. But anyway, the kangaroo was actually delicious, not too chewy, kind of smoky. And finally, I tried the classic salt and pepper squid. I added a little more pepper and oh my gosh, it was so freaking soft. It just like melted in my mouth. And the breading was really light. It was super fresh. And it also came with this coleslaw that was also so good. It was like crunchy, kind of refreshing. And that's all for today.